Oh my goodness. An ANC regional chairperson has been arrested as one of the suspects in a cash-in-transit heist that occurred over the weekend between Bronkhorstspruit and Babsfontein on the R25. Now, this heist sparked a massive police operation, resulting in the death of 4 suspects and the arrest of at least one individual identified as the ANC regional chairperson of Moitse, which is in Ellensdon in the alias Motsweledi municipality. Now, the investigating team recovered firearms, ammunition, stolen vehicles allegedly, and explosives. Now, this successful capture was a joint effort involving the SAPS counterintelligence, the Gauteng Tactical Response Team, the Hawks, and other law enforcement agencies. Now, the operation aimed to disrupt organized crime networks responsible for violent economic offenses in the province. The arrested suspect will face charges related to the heist.